YouTube, it's Trendy Talia. Welcome to my bedroom. Come on in. Just kidding. I am not that extra. I will be standing behind my camera while I do a tour of my bedroom today. Let's get started. Okay, so here is the door to our bedroom. And over here I have a custom made calendar from Shutterfly. And for the month of July I put my son all decked out patriotic since Independence Day is in July. I thought that was fitting. And here we have my closet. And I'm not really going to go too much into my closet because honestly it's not like my dream closet. But I will show you a little section of my closet because I do have what I like to call a princess corner. So this is my little princess corner in my closet. Like I said, this isn't my dream closet, but I do have a little corner here that I absolutely love. It's totally girly. And there's some Disney princesses up here. And a few Kate Spade bags. Some unicorns. Sparkly shoes. And I own all of the Disney princess movies. So that's what these DVDs are. They're all Disney princess DVDs. And I absolutely love this canvas that my brother got me for Christmas a few Christmases ago. But yeah, this is my little princess corner, and I have a little row of cute girly pastel clothes in this corner too, just because I found it kind of fitting there. So we just came out of the closet, and this next door right here is our bathroom. But I'm going to wait to show you guys that last. And then we have what I like to call my little beauty corner over here. And let's see. So we have a canvas that says, "Discover the beauty in everyone." A Bible verse by Romans. And then up here on this little corner wall shelf, I have a neon light that says love. Both of these items are from Five Below, and this canvas is from Marshall's. Then I have a little chair right here, or as I like to call it, my throne. This chair is from Ross, and it has a sequence pillow on it. It's one of those reversible ones that you can flip to the side, and it goes sparkly or it goes like matte colored, but that pillow is from Five Below. And then moving down under the chair, I just have a few boxes down here. The bottom box is a hat box, and then the top two boxes just hold memories like photos and my hard drive and things like that. And then along the floor here on my bedside, I have a pink faux fur rug, which is super soft. Oh, I love this rug so much. So does my cat. And then moving along to this side of our bedroom, we have the first nightstand, which is actually my nightstand. And as you can see, I have a candle and a room spray. I also have a book here inside of my nightstand table. I have a glasses case, some chapstick, a pen. We have a wallflower plug-in, a car air freshener, my headphones. Back here we have an extra pacifier for my son, and this is a guitar capo and a cough drop. And down below my nightstand, I have a few notebooks and an iPad, and this little unicorn up top here is a phone holder. And back in the corner, that is a unicorn hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. The unicorn phone holder is from Five Below. The lamp is from Kirkland's, and the nightstands are actually from a yard sale. And also I just want to shout out to my mom, because I don't know if you noticed in past videos, but these nightstands used to be a wooden brown color, and it just didn't fit the aesthetic in our bedroom. So she painted them white for my husband and I. And I'm so thankful that she was able to do that. She's such a great painter. So thank you, Mom. And then my husband just put these little crystal knobs on to match our dresser knobs. Over here above our bed, we have this beautiful picture frame with my all-time favorite Bible verse that reads, "Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything." A little story time about this picture frame. I bought it when I was pregnant with my son. I was in my 3rd trimester and was starting to get that anxious, nervous feeling because I was worried if I would be able to handle the pain of giving birth. I have a very low tolerance for pain. I was out with my mom at Kirkland's shopping, really didn't have no need to buy anything in there. But then I saw this beautiful picture frame, and once I read it, it immediately put me at ease and brought me peace. I just knew I had to buy it. I hung it in my room above my son's bassinet, and reading it every day just gave me that peace of mind that everything is going to be okay. I had no reason to get myself all worried because God is always going to be there for me and get me through anything. And here we are, 3 years later. I survived to tell the tale that I gave birth to my son. So that's the story behind that picture frame. It is from Kirkland's. Here is what our bed looks like. These first 2 blue pillows up front are throw pillows that I got from Home Goods. And there's also a body pillow behind that is from Target. And our bed comforter set is from Amazon. And let's see here. I have this pink crushed velvet throw blanket that's from Five Below. And also our bed skirt is from Amazon as well. So as you can see, we have a pink and blue theme going on in here. And over on this side of the bedroom is my husband's nightstand. So we have a cactus blossom candle from Bath & Body Works and little fake daisies back here in a unicorn holder. And that is his nightstand. And over on this wall we do have a picture frame that says Mr. and Mrs. with the Corinthians Bible verse on it, the one that says love is patient, love is kind, which is another one of my favorite Bible verses. And we have a picture of my husband and I on our wedding day. Here it is up close. It is one of my favorite photos of us from the night of our wedding. And over on this corner is where our TV is on the entertainment stand. So we have a TV, a Blu-ray player, and we have like this knockoff brand of Nintendo. Over here, it has like over 620 games built in. So that's pretty fun to play once in a while. And then down to the next rack is just some perfume bottles that I have down there. But that is the TV area. And these beautiful blue curtains are from Walmart. And over here we have our dresser. This dresser is from Ashley Furniture. I've had it for years. I think before I even met my husband, to be honest with you. This came from my parents' house. So here's what the top of the dresser looks like. Starting over here, we have a unicorn jewelry holder and a little bit more jewelry here, as well as a jewelry box. My grandmother got me this for Christmas. This little jewelry holder is from Michael's. This jewelry box is from Ross. I have some glasses here from Forever 21, a JBL Bluetooth speaker, my contact lens case. This is a little unicorn back massager thing. My husband got me that for Christmas. And I hold all my necklaces and some earrings and bracelets here. And this is just a stand. I honestly can't remember where it's from. Maybe Burlington Coat Factory, but not entirely sure. I have my iPhone right here. And then this first drawer here is my undergarment drawer. These next 2 drawers are my husband's drawers. I'll show you what's down in my drawer here though. We have t-shirts, some leggings, lounge clothes really. And then the bottom drawer of mine is my pajama drawer. So I won't show my husband's drawers just because this is my YouTube channel and not his. But those are what's in my drawers. And that is pretty much it. We will make our way over to the bathroom now. So starting with the back of the bathroom door, we have these door hangers, which has a towel, my bathrobe, and my hair towel wrap. And coming over to the sink here, we have some toothpaste. This is a little mermaid tail cup, but I use it for a toothbrush holder, and that's from Five Below. We have Perfect Beach Day hand soap from Bath & Body Works, and I just decorated our sink top with some seashells from the beach. Inside of our sink we actually have some pebbles as well, and if you haven't noticed already, this is a mermaid themed bathroom. So we have another seashell from the beach, and this is a candle from Bath & Body Works last summer collection called Mermaid Lagoon. I don't believe they sell it anymore. And up top here we have Ariel and Flounder salt and pepper shaker. And I know you're probably wondering, what's the salt and pepper shaker doing in the bathroom? But it has more use in here because it's a mermaid themed bathroom, and I thought it was fitting to go in here. And this little mermaid salt and pepper shaker was from one of my old co-workers as a going away present, so that is where that is from. We have this beautiful shower curtain that has mermaid colors in it, and that is from Walmart. And a hand towel from Walmart as well. And then up top here is a little replica of a Thomas Kincaid painting of the Little Mermaid. And this is from Amazon. And it's so beautiful. I've had it for so long. And that is my bathroom. Thank you all so much for joining me on my bedroom tour today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Another little fun fact is back in high school I took 3 courses in interior design classes, so I absolutely love decorating bedrooms, and I am so happy with how our bedroom turned out. And I just want to give a little shout out to my husband for giving me the okay to go ahead and decorate our bedroom however I would like. I know it's a little bit on the girlier side and he's totally cool with that. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you all have a magical day. I'll see you next time. Bye!